Airplanes have always fascinated us. Not just because they fly, but because they teach us powerful lessons about life itself. Every flight begins with a takeoff. It's the hardest part. The engines push at full power, the plane shakes, but then it lifts. In life, it's the same. The beginning is the toughest, but if you keep pushing, you rise above the ground. Turbulence feels uncomfortable, sometimes even scary. But the truth? Airplanes are built to handle it. In life, turbulence comes as challenges, failures, setbacks. But remember, you're built stronger than you think. Once you climb high enough, the turbulence fades and you see the calm sky above the clouds. That's what happens when you push through hard times. You discover peace, clarity, and freedom. And finally, landing. Pilots train for years to master it because every landing is a new beginning. Your goals are the same. You prepare, you practice, and when the moment comes, you succeed. Life is just like flying. Push through takeoff, embrace turbulence, rise above the clouds, and always prepare for a smooth landing. Follow for more motivation and aviation inspiration.